Good morning. Happy Friday to everybody. Hope everybody is having a great finish to their week. And we'll just take a look at a few things. Personal consumption expenditures came in better than expected. The index rose 0.3% for the month and 5% from a year ago. The downward expected rise was 5.3% in January, and it was expected to hit 5.1% this month, and so it dropped to 5%. So that was better than expected. And then if you take out the volatile food and inflation prices, it was expected to rise 0.4%, and it rose 0.3%. And the core inflation rate slipped to 4.6% below forecasts of 4.7%. So on that, the market has risen today. We'll take a look at our charts. I'll share the screen. First, let's take a look at our dollar. This is Aehr Test Systems, the leader in semiconductor equipment. It was up, earnings per share were up 45%, and it was less than what people were hoping for. So the stock has sold off hard today. It's down a little over 13%. The dollar is basically flat, just slightly up. The 10-year yield is pulling back to its 200-day moving average. And the 20-year yield is pulling back as well. It's kind of gapped down below its 10-day declining 10-day moving average. And our 1 to 3 year bonds pretty flat. So not much change there. Take a look at cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin is up 3%. Ethereum is up 4%. And let's take a look at gold. Gold is kind of leveled off here, pretty flat. Silver continues to rise. This is an amazing run that silver has been on here. Just incredible. Pretty low volume right now. Take a look at the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ is up 0.8%. The VIX has fallen further. It's right at 1874 right now. S&P 500 is up about the same as the NASDAQ, 0.76%. The Dow has bumped its head on its 50-day moving average, so we'll see if the Dow can continue to rise, and our small cap index has really jumped up. It's jumped up above its 20-day moving average, so now it's above its 10 and 20-day moving average. Take a look at the regional banks. They're up a little, slightly over 1%. Take a look at what stocks are leading this morning. DigitalOcean up 6.5%. Cloud-based infrastructure platform. Axon Enterprises Axon Enterprises provides stun guns for police, is up 4.3%. My little cheat sheet here keeps closing down. Cal-Maine Foods, our egg producer, is up 2.8%. Elf Beauty, which had pulled back yesterday, is up close to 5% this morning. Shift4 Payments, the credit card processor that processes all the hotel credit card charges when you check into your hotel, is up 3.4%. Our Chinese brokerage, Futu, continues its run. It's up about 1%. Nerd Wallet is trying to recover its big loss, to 4.5%. And finally, we got our builder, Skyline Champion. It had pulled back slightly yesterday and recovered and continues its run to see if it can continue its breakout here. We'll take a look at what's down. Besides air test systems, we got Generac Holdings is down 2.6%. Rogers Communication tried to break out here and is just dived right down 2.5%. Micron, which was up big yesterday, is gapping down off 3%. And gas, HF Sinclair or Dino is down. Biomeo Fusion, it continues to be profit taking in that big move from 2-3 days ago. Alibaba, some profit taking off their big move this week. Bilibili is off a little over 5% today. And another Chinese stock that had a big gap up, had a big move up yesterday, is now retreating. So those people that I guess that made money yesterday are now selling. So that's to take out our winners and losers. Let's take a look at our ETFs. Metals and mining continues to lead. Take a look at Southern Copper. Looks like it's working on a breakout here of its consolidation. Energy is trying to stabilize here above their 200-day line. Same with the explorers. Tech continues to lead this market. Is up another 0.5% today. Take a look at software. Software has popped up. That's a pretty nice move here. Utilities, even utilities are going up. And take a look at real estate. Real estate is popping up as well. If we industrials up above its 50-day moving line. Take a look at semiconductors. It had sold off earlier in the morning. and they're recovering. And here's our airline picking back up. It looks like they had a double bottom. They broke out of this double bottom pattern and they continue to rise higher. So they're above as declining 10 and 20-day moving averages. And let's see, leisure activity is correlating with the airlines as well. So Airbnb, it looks like they broke out yesterday out of this little mini consolidation pullback, and they continue to go up today. So that's our report for Friday, last day of March. Hope your April starts off with a bang, and thanks for joining. This has been Mornings with Michael. This is provided for informational and educational purposes only. If you have a personal finance question, you can email us at michaeline29@gmail.com. In the meantime, hope everybody has a great day.